We track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Chief Meteorologist Aaron White joins us once again, and we are keeping our eyes out for a potential comet.
Yeah, something that's been kind of talked about a little bit here and there over the last year. It was discovered back in 2023, and it's going to be potentially visible here starting September 27th. So that's Friday morning, just before sunrise. But really, the best show is actually going to come in October, between October 12th and the 24th, when it gets a little bit closer to the Earth, getting away from the sun. That's when it's actually going to be a bit brighter. But come Friday, we could be talking about potentially seeing it here 45 minutes before sunrise. So it's going to be pretty early in the morning here on Friday. You're going to want to look towards the east, and your best chance of actually seeing it is going to be with binoculars or a DSLR camera that can actually take a longer exposure. But seeing it with your eyes, probably not going to happen until we get into October. But the question that still remains is, it's kind of rounding the sun right now. It's getting closer to that. It could actually fall apart. So, and we may not actually get a view of it, but we're going to be watching it. We're going to be talking about it here over the next couple of weeks, and hopefully we get a good show here as we look ahead to October. Could be similar to what we had back in 2020 with Comet Neowise. So we're watching that here closely. We're also watching our forecast, as it's been rather quiet and really nice weather here across the board. We have sunshine right now over Rochester. Looking there at Highway 52, 74 degrees, north winds at 5 miles per hour, and really across the region, we're not talking about a lot happening here. A lot of sunshine, clear skies are in the forecast, and we got clear skies across much of the upper Midwest. More clouds to the east around Cleveland, parts of Ohio, getting some rain around there. But something we are watching, we talked about it earlier here in the show, is this hurricane. Hurricane Helene became a hurricane here today. You can see it right there, just north and east of areas around Cancun, just northeast of the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. It is a Category 1, winds sustained at 85 miles per hour. Projected to go through the Gulf of Mexico and actually strengthen, and that's what's concerning here, because winds are going to be very strong with it as it gets up to a Category 4. But the water, the storm surge, also going to cause many issues here along the coast of Florida. So if you have vacation plans down there, this is obviously something to keep an eye on, and it's going to be impacting and making landfall about 24 to 36 hours from now. Really, tomorrow evening is the projected landfall here, but then it moves inland and actually will spread some clouds and maybe even some moisture here into our neck of the woods as we look ahead to the weekend. Rain chances have gone down, but still looking at some clouds around here over the weekend. A little bit more sunshine, but we are going to be watching that here. Really kind of depends on how that storm evolves as it moves inland and away from the coast. But otherwise, we got a lot of sunshine here. High temperatures getting closer to 80 here on Saturday. That chance, 20% chance here on Sunday with a little bit of moisture around 78 degrees. And then we do cool things back down, Cammie. More fall-like weather here with highs in the 60s Tuesday and Wednesday, and those overnight lows getting a little chilly.